When you live off-grid, every little thing matters. From the water you haul, the systems you build, even something as simple as breaking your glasses can kind of throw off your whole week. But out here in the desert, that's just part of the journey. And somehow the hard days make the wins feel even bigger. This week we're making real progress. Our septic system is nearly done, and we're just days away from installing a 2,500 gallon water tank. Now that's going to change everything. Okay, what do you think about this waterfall?
Beautiful. It's a rainbow.
Look at the rainbow. Oh my gosh, that's crazy.
It's like mingling out again, the wind tunnel over.
It's like a wind tunnel.
All the memories are on replay. I reach for you, but you're thousands of miles away. Every heartbeat, every breath is filled with thoughts of you. I am so lost without you, and I don't know.
Alright, so we're going to make some hummingbird food out here in the desert. Pretty simple. 4 cups of water to a cup of sugar. Alright, so now the water's boiling really good and the sugar is all dissolved. I'm going to turn off the stove and let the mixture cool down. Now you let the mixture cool down to room temperature and then it'll be ready for your hummingbird feeders. Be sure to refrigerate any unused portions that you're going to use later. That's how you make hummingbird food. Always clean your hummingbird feeders. Keep them clean. Keep the hummingbird safe. .45 caliber or something. I don't know. It's pretty big. It's bigger than a 38. I don't know. Is that old? Is that old? I'd say it's old. Don't know. What do you think? Anyways, my metal detecting finds for the day. I got a spot. I gotta go back and see what I can find. I don't think that shot somebody or something, or no. That's what we're doing. Well, air metal detecting in the desert. Nothing better than that. Hunting for relics.
Wide awake, all the memories are on replay. I reach for you, but you're thousands of miles away. Every heartbeat, every breath is filled with thoughts of you. I am so lost without you, and I don't know what to do. Sleepless nights, filled with all the things I didn't say, that I will make it okay. Turn back time, never let you slip away. Every heartbeat, every breath is filled with thoughts of you. I am so lost without you, and I don't know what to do.
You could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you, you don't even notice. Should've told you straight away, you don't have to be afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed. You know, you know.
What are we doing now? What are we doing now? I think we're going to Dollar General. Get you a pair of glasses to repair your glasses.
So
So this goes back to our previous video, where you can't, you gotta be prepared. You need more than one pair of glasses.
Absolutely.
And sunglasses don't count. Even though these are prescription sunglasses and I can see really good with them. Anywho, my glasses broke. I was chasing foam board, blowing across the yard in 40-mile-an-hour winds.
Across the desert.
Across the desert, yeah. Yelling for Marv, who was inside, didn't hear me. I'm like laying on 4 sheets of foam board, holding them down. So the winds were blowing crazy and a dust devil came through. It was like a tornado. This has only happened to us 2 or 3 times now. Oh, that's our road.
Yeah, it's our road.
Oh, look at the Jeeps.
Yeah,
Sand
wow.
Jeeps. Damn. They're nice. So this has happened a couple times to us.
So the moral of the story is,
Don't work in the wind. Don't leave anything not tied down.
okay, have an extra pair of glasses.
Have an extra pair of glasses. Luckily, we've got a Dollar General 20 miles away. Thank goodness.
Do they have an optometrist there?
No, they don't. But I'm gonna I'm gonna buy a cheap pair of glasses and steal the handles off the arms. What are they called? Arms, handles,
That's a good question. I don't know.
ends, whatever they're called. We're gonna steal them and put them on these, maybe. Anyways, that's what happens when you're out here off the grid. Alright, we'll see if I got anything in here. We'll let you know how that goes. We got it. The other one didn't work. This one worked. The other one didn't work. There's my broken one. Hey, we got new glasses. Yay! Alright. Tornado. Wow. Chevy van. Tornado. Chevy van, Tornado. Mexico only. Pretty cool. It's a cool van. Oh. So Mexico only. Oh, why don't we have that van here? Cool.
You could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you. You don't even
Should we
know.
go to Walmart or?
It's up to you.
No, I think we need butter. And we
Okay,
need,
Walmart. Walmart it is. Alright, we got a Suzuki Jimny. Mexico only. Pretty cool ride. Jimny.